Guys, this is Mahfouz. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making chocolate delight. So I'd love to share with you guys. So this is how it goes. So this is the white cream. It is made up of milk, whipped cream and vanilla essence. Make it as thick as possible, so it's going to be better for you. And now these are chocolate wafers. You can buy from a shopping mall or something. Not a shopping mall, just from your grocery shop. So I'm going to cut them precisely, kind of precisely, like make it small cubes, stuff like that. After cutting them into small pieces, take a chocolate biscuit and just roughly smash them up. Transfer it into a packet and then just roughly take the biscuits into the packet and just roughly smash it up. So as you can see, I'm crushing them. It's going to be roughly, so no problems. And then transfer it to a bowl. And then add some milk. So here I'm gonna make the chocolate. So add some milk, and then this is my chocolate bar. As you can see, I'm using dairy milk for it. So I'm just cutting them, so it will be easy for me to make the liquid out of this chocolate. So I'm just going to melt it down. So and now we are going to make our dessert named as chocolate delight. So here you can see it. I'm just putting some wafers into the bowl, not into the bowl, into the cup. And now, as you can see, I'm making 2 of it. So hope so it goes well. So my wafers are inside. And now I'm adding the chocolate biscuits, which I roughly crushed them. These are my chocolate biscuits. You can get all the flavors in it. It's very, when you're tasting the dessert, it's just, something very special. It's very close to your heart, And now this is my mixture. So I'm putting into a piping bag. This would be liquid, alright. This is kind of like semi-liquid. I don't want to put it very hard or very strong like ice cream. I'm gonna do it later. So now all I have to do is pour over the biscuits. So it's going to be very easier for me, to taste, and it's going to be I'm putting into the freezer. So when I put it in the freezer, it's going to taste so well. Trust me. Now I'm putting more wafers into it, more chocolate biscuits I will be putting inside it also. More chocolate biscuits are going in. Looks fabulous. And now these are my melted chocolate. My melted chocolate is going to be over it. It's going to look massive. Trust me. This is what I was waiting for, just for you guys. More chocolate biscuits in it, so you get the color inside it, that is what you're waiting for. Now my piping bag goes. I'm putting my white cream, just a little bit, to just have that glaze inside it, the touch. Now these are my melted chocolates. Just with the milk, just pour it inside, just close every corner of it. So feel the texture, feel the amazing taste. Okay, as you can see, it's almost covered, and here we go. That is it. Now just for garnishing, just put some wafers on top, so it looks incredible, looks more fancier. Okay, that's done almost. The last but not the least, you know what I'm talking about. Just for finishing it, just let the ice cream melt. It's gonna be look so amazing. Best thing you can feel. So good, so good. Just let the ice cream melt and you can taste the delicious softness inside the dessert. The chocolatey, the vanilla flavor. Just put some garnishing over the chocolate biscuits. That is it, guys. Now put it inside the freezer and then you'll see the thing. You'll see the magic. That is what I'm talking about. Please do try it. Let me know in the comments below how did it taste. I would really love to have your feedbacks. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye. And yeah, last but not the least, refrigerate for 2 hours so you get the perfect moist to cut it inside it. Thank you, guys. Take care.